Hello friends, look at that. It's raining again. Earlier it was warm and shiny. Now it's about 6 o'clock. It's raining again. And I'm coughing and I'm not feeling well. I'm lucky I had this flu vaccine a month ago. So I'm okay. You know, before, during my college days, we used to visit this capital here. In front of that is Lagoon, Capitol Lagoon. And this is actually the AYALA Mall here. And that's the Fiesta Market, they say. And there's not much to buy. So I have to stand here for a while. Oh, they have a stray dog there, huh? I don't know why they allow this. I thought the city ordinance, they don't allow dog roaming around. Okay guys, thank you for watching.